Hello, I'm being frank with you. It is Saturday morning, and as you've seen, the deer have been in the garden. At first I was a bit concerned because I saw only the mother and one Bambi, and I thought maybe, oh dear, some disaster has happened to the other one. But as you saw, the other one came out of the long grass and was just as lively as ever. After I stopped filming, they had gone to the other side of the garden, and then something over there must have frightened them, and they came racing back across. They were like greyhounds, the little ones almost getting trampled by the mother as she zigzagged backwards and forwards. Anyway, I'm going to have a look at the Tesla now because I've had a text to say there's been an update. So I'm interested to see what that is. So it is showing that there is a software update available. And I'm not going to be going anywhere for a little while, so I'm just going to go for install now. It's going to start in under 2 minutes. Right, it will be interesting to see what will happen. It's a bit like waiting for the space shuttle to take off. 3, 2, 1, starting update. And now I think everything will go blank. Black. It always says that the update will take 1 hour and 40 minutes, but that's not true. Sometimes it comes in a lot faster, less than 1 hour. So I suppose 1 hour 40 minutes is the top level of the estimate for how long it will take. It's not going to be more than 1 hour 40 minutes, but as I say, very often it is a lot quicker. It's still saying starting update. I am a little bit concerned because there is no icon for communications. It doesn't say that it is picking up the Wi-Fi from the house. It doesn't say it is on LTE, the cell signal. So I don't know where it's getting its update, or even if it is doing the update at all. I was wrong about the Wi-Fi signal. It is showing one tiny little dot, so it is picking up Wi-Fi from the house. And that is it proving to me that the update is definitely in progress. The car has gone very quiet. Everything has stopped. Sterling, one of my sons, is going for, I don't know what you call this, a little course on how to use a handheld 3D printer. This is a bridge over the railway, but we are actually going around here. I know there's a bit of wind in the background, I hope it's not affecting the microphone. This is called the Engine Shed. It was built with lottery money, and it's all about architecture in Scotland over the years. So, looking forward to going inside and seeing what it's all about. Inside they show you it shows you here building through time, so we're going back to 8,500 years BC and then taking you all the way up to date. There's another good resource where they give you an iPad and it reacts with a map and puts on different buildings, and then you get to research further and deeper into it. This wall chart is full of information about all the significant buildings in Scotland through the ages. There's also in video of people's skills in how to do things for making nice buildings.
You
even have their own theatre.
And quite often being able to pull buildings apart virtually, and that can be.
A lot of our present is made up of our past. This is Stirling Station from the bridge. I've never seen it from up here before. And the castle is in the top left corner. I really wanted to go to Maplins, but here we are in T something or other Max. I never remember in this country if it's TJ or TK Max. It's midnight on Saturday night into Sunday morning. We've had a pretty good day. The event at the engine shed was for one of my sons to go and do 3D modelling using a 3D handheld printer. We had a good time at the engine shed. There's so much to see and do there, so if you're in the Stirling area I strongly recommend it. Tonight we watched The Golden Compass. It's a movie that we've not been watching on purpose because the boys have been studying the book Northern Lights by Philip Pullman. So it's been a long time since we got hold of the movie, and tonight we watched it. And of course the boys criticised it because it did not follow the book. But then the book is 600 pages, the movie is 2 hours long. I suppose they have to cut out something. I thought it was good. Tomorrow, I think we have a quiet day at home for tonight. That's it. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.